అసలు చాలా వేడుందనా విండో నుంచి మొత్తం వేడి అసలు. Okay. So the last session, okay. So we are working with null values and how the null values and comparison level, how to check it out your nulls, as well as when you want to go for to do some arithmetic operations. Okay, no. So in these two cases, null problems, how to overcome, that we discussed in the last class. Okay, and the next one more important operator, now take siding, like. So like operator, okay, so when and how to use this operator, the main purpose of this operator is what now you can see. Whenever we need to fetching some data, okay, now based on some character patterns wise, specific character patterns wise, data can be manipulated or data can be fetched. Okay, so there we can use what now, like. So like operator, especially it was going to be comparing, okay, specific character patterns. So when you want to compare, use your like. What is the specific character patterns? Okay, for example, let me see, I have some names here. Okay, the names are, for example, Smith. Okay, Suresh. Okay, I have here Suman and Scott and Sai. So these are some names are there here. So in these names, okay, can you see your every name is started with the S character. Okay, na? Every name started with the S character. Okay, right. So now like this, just imagine in your table. So imagine in your table, so there is the hundreds of rows we have in this your table. Okay, the hundreds of rows we have in the table. Out of 100 employees data or customers data, students data, or products data, whatever it may be. So which student or employee customer name starts with the S character? Those S character people data I need to fetch from my table. Okay, no? But here the total number of customers are 100 customers. Out of 100, we need to fetch, who I need to fetch here means whose name starts with the yes. Okay, but see, when you want to go for manually, if you go to table and each and every name you need to check and find out whose name starts with S, and after finding that, the data want to retrieve. So this is highly impossible when you go for manual systems. Okay, now, and one more thing is what now, it was a time consuming process, because there is 100 customers. Okay, we are searching 100 names, and which customer name, which student or which employee name starts with S character, first you need to identify, and after that, that entire spellings we should require. Suppose a Smith is there, Smith is having the spelling is what now, SMITH. The entire the spelling is also we need to find out. So in that cases, manually, if you need to do like this, what it was happen, the time will be consuming. So instead of doing this all works, okay, now I just apply with my SQL query through. I just apply here what now, like operator. And like operator advantage is what now? In which character basis do you want to retrieve your data? Okay, na? So only that particular character only I can use in my condition. It's not necessary that you are, suppose Smith is having total 5 characters and I should know that entire spelling of that person name. Okay, like a Suresh, Suman, Scott, Sai. So I don't want it to know about that entire spellings. Okay, I want it only the character basis. We need to fetching our information. So whose name starts with this character? So then what it was happen? We are just writing the query like this. Okay, select a star from some so and so table. Okay, where employee name I was used like and put it a yes. So whenever I'm going to send this, what it was happen. So whose name starts with S character, the people informations will be finding and retrieving by your Oracle server. It will be take and sending to client application. And this action will be happening within microseconds. This operation internally perform and giving our results. Okay, now. So, but here carefully observe when you are using a like operator, like which character basis need to finding your names and retrieval. So that character name, if I'm giving like this, it doesn't work. Because why, sir, it doesn't work? I was given my specific character pattern, but still it is not a work and is not to consider your request by server. So that's why, sir, your request is not considered to your Oracle main, sir, because with the name of S, there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people are there out of 100 customers or 100 employees. But every employee name is not only having S character. Along with S character, some other characters also we have it here. Understand my point now? So here S character, starting character S, that's okay. We are finding this S character, whatever it was there. So that I was represented here in my condition. That's okay. But what about the remaining characters will be there in the string expression? The remaining characters, how can you represent here? How can you predict here the remaining characters? So the remaining characters also must be predict or must be represent. Then only your request will be fulfilled. Then server can understand that, okay, so starting character S only, but after S also, there are some other characters also there. So it can understand and it will go to your string expressions. And in the string expression, it will be checking whose name starts with the S along with some other characters. Okay. So here observe, I just split it out here, split it out. The S, I'm just going to be split like this here. Okay. So S separate and MITH in the Smith. Suresh, URESH, Suman, UMANCOTTAI. So now this is what we are going to be dividing your expressions. And my first expression representative I was given to whose name starts with S, so that S character will be represented here. But what about the remaining group of characters which was there in the expressions? These remaining group of characters, how can you represent? How can you predict? Okay, the remaining characters. So for that purpose, in like operator, we should use some wildcard operators we have here. That operators I can use it now. I want to use it what now? Wildcard operators. There are two types of wildcard operators we have in this like. Okay, that means along with the like compulsory you should use a wildcard operators. Then only your request will be fulfilled. Otherwise, your request will not fulfill. So here two kind of wildcard operators are there. First one is called as what now? Percentile. The percentile, what it was going to be show and what it was predict in my string expressions. Okay, it means that it represent guys here. Okay, now. So it represent. Okay, the remaining group of characters. The remaining group of characters. Okay, the remaining group of characters after selected character from the given string expression, from the given string or string expression. Okay, now so this is what it was representing by percentile. So percentile, it represent the remaining group of characters after selected character from the given string expression. So my given string expressions are Smith, Suresh, Suman, Scott, and Sai. So in these expressions, each and every name is called as a one string expression. The total how many string expressions here? 5. In out of 5 string expressions, I need to selected who I want. It means whose name starts with the yes. So that I was mentioned in my query, okay, along with the like. Okay, but what it was happen if you mention only selected character, okay, but remaining characters you are not represented here, then this request will not fulfill. So that's why what I want to do, Smith is there. In a Smith string expression, S is my starting, remaining group of characters are what now? MITH. After selected character, your S, the remaining characters are MITH. In Suman, remaining characters are UMAN. In Suresh, remaining characters are URESH. In Sai, remaining characters are AI. In Scott, remaining characters are COTT. So that remaining characters will be represented by who is this percentile. Okay, so that means percentile is nothing but after selected character from your given string, after selected character, the remaining characters, the remaining group of characters, whatever you left, those lefting group of characters are represented with the percentiles. So then we will be give it here. So S percentile. Then what it was happen? My name starts with the S character. And not only S character, along with S, there are some other characters also there. The other characters will represented with the percentile symbol. Now your request will be fulfilled, and now you send this request to your Oracle server. Server will take this request, and server can understand that, okay, not only S character, along with S character, some other characters also there. But which character is faster? Yes, character is faster. So in that basis, data will be verified and finding, picking, sending to client applications. Okay, now this is percentile use and usage. Okay, why should we want to mention percentile along with our selected character in like operator? All of you clear? Next, come to one more wildcard operators we are using in like. What is that? Underscore. Underscore, what it was going to do, guys, it was counting a single character. It was counting a single character in a string expression. In a string expression. Okay, na? So counting a single character. For example, suppose I'm asking the question. What is my question here? I want to fetch my data whose name is having 3 characters. Whose name is having 3 characters. So whenever you want to write, okay, the 3 characters, what it is, I don't know. Okay, but I just mentioned here my column name like of first underscore counting first character, second underscore counting one more character, third underscore counting one more character. So when I just leave it here, the 3 characters, if I'm using by using of a underscore, each underscore will representing one character will be counted. So now like this it will be in this expressions, which name is having 3 characters? Sai. So your answer will get it a Sai. But yes, Sai is a different spelling. And suppose if I'm going to mention here one more name is there, Anu is there, for example. If Anu is there here, the Anu is also having 3 characters, but Sai, Anu spellings are different. There is no combination of any not same spellings, different spellings. But your underscore will not think about your spellings. It was think about your number of characters. So your A, one underscore is representing in the Sai S character, in Anu A character. Another underscore, second underscore representing in Sai A character, in Anu N character. And another, okay, underscore representing in Sai I character and Anu U character. So that means like this, the spellings are different. Whatever the spelling was there in this expressions, I don't mind. But how many number of characters are there, that will be considered. Okay, so here I'm giving 3. So 3 names, 3 character names, whatever it was there, that all it will be fetch out. Suppose if I'm giving here one more underscore 4. Now, is there any 4 characters of names are there here? No, it doesn't show any value. Suppose if I'm giving 5. Do you have any 5 characters? Who is that? Smith and Scott and Suman. So the three people, different names, Smith, Suman, Scott. Names are different, spellings are different, but it will show the three names to us. Because of reason, each underscore counting only characters. That character may be A to Z, whatever it was there, I don't mind, but counting only single characters. So this is what now underscore, how to use. So how underscore, what I said here, underscore counting a single character in a string expression. Okay, no? That is represent. But here underscore, whenever you want to use, guys, here one thing should be always keep in your mind. What is that here? So every underscore to underscore between, actually I was given some gaps are given here. Can you find out? Yes, but actually if your work here, that is no need. Okay, don't give a gaps. If you are giving gaps, it doesn't go to consider your request. So don't provide any gap in between underscores. Okay, so if I wanted three means, I can give line continuously. The three underscores, you just put it like this. You just put it like this, the three underscores without having any gappings. Okay, na? So in that way, your characters will be counting now. Okay, understand all of you now? So now this is what we called as, so these two are called as a wildcard operators, compulsory based on your requirement basis, which will be suitable for our requirement to fulfill. So either percentile or underscore based on requirement is, or based on requirement basis, you can go to use. Understand na? So now definition right down below. Like, so comparing a specific, comparing a specific string character pattern, comparing a specific string character pattern. When we use like operator, when we use like operator, we should follow the following, wildcard operators. The following wild card operators are. Okay, so the wildcard operators are, now take this one, percentile, and purpose of percentile, underscore percentile of underscore. Okay, and your syntax also, check it out. So what is the syntax for this? So where column name, like, open single quotes, and you should give it your wildcard operator. Then you have to give it your specific character pattern, and use your wildcard operator. and close your single quote.
without it. Open చేసి కూడా more.
Okay, right. So on this like operator, I will show you different patterns. Okay, on each pattern, one example I'm showing now. So how to use this like on different character patterns. Okay, now. Okay, right. So let me go for to take one by one example. So the one by one example here. The first example, right on. Write a query to display employees. Okay, whose name starts with the S character. Whose name starts with the S character. Okay, let me come. So already you have some sample tables, yes or no? Demo tables are there now? So okay. Now just come out and connect with your ID. So what is your user account? MyDB 2 p.m. and 2 p.m. So come. Okay, common properties are here. Okay, fine. Then after you will be come out and see EMP. So this is our EMP table, and from this EMP table, I need to find out. So whose name is starts with the S character. Like how many people we have in this table? 1 and 2, Smith and Scott. So now we can see I'm going to writing this select a star from EMP, where the column name, which column I'm comparing, employee names are comparing. So like of yes. Suppose if I'm sending only yes, but I'm not giving any, okay, wildcard operator I'm not using. Just along with my like operator, I'm using my required character only. I use it now. But still what it was saying here, when you were sending here, it was showing what now? No rows are selected. So that means because why sir no rows are selected means the one thing should be remember, your string expression is having not only s character now. Do you have only one character? No. Along with this character, some other characters also there. That's called a group of characters are there. In group of characters, my requirement is what now? Starting character, yes. So that you given. But remaining characters also I need to represent or not? Yes. So that is the reason we should do what now? Percentile. So now execute. Then it will be consider your request as percentile and Smith Scott. The both people was got it. Okay, no? Right down below. This is first pattern of character basis. Okay. The same as can you write here? So whose name ends with whose name ends with whose name ends with n character. Charging switch on charging పెట్టలేదు ల్యాప్టాప్ ఛార్జింగ్ పెట్టలేదు చూడు పెట్టలేదు మర్చిపోయాడా the starting character n come on n character how to write now first percentile because starting characters I don't know how many are there, so what are there I don't know, so first percentile, end of the character must be n, so that means the same thing. Can I do this in place of percentile? Okay, and now what I'm using n, so can I write now? Yes. So in this case what it was happening you can see now. So in this case so now we can come out and check. So first I'm going to use percentile. Percentile means what? Some group of characters, but end of the character must be n only. So now you can see who is this here, Alan and Martin. So these people names are ending with the n right now. Okay, right. The next one, next example right now. Write a query to display employees whose name is having I character, whose name is having I character. So whose name is having I character, but I didn't set your starting position or ending position. I didn't set. Just my requirement is what now? Having or not. In your string expressions, I was there or not there. How to write now? I is there or not? Percentile? I percentile. Okay. So now here both sides will require percentiles. Okay, now because if I leave like this, it means what? Ending, not starting, ending character I. Suppose if I just leave like this, it means starting. So that's why what happening, if one side if I kept any wildcard operator, it representing either starting or ending. So that's why don't give it like this. Having means what now? percentile, I percentile. So it means what now? Your I is having in which position? It's not considered. Positions are not considered. It was just having or not considered. It may be middle, starting, ending. That's none of the matter. Okay, na? Now. So now I'm going to execute it now. So who's that means which employees are having I here? Smith, Martin, King, and Miller. Okay, na? Right down below. The next one. What is my next example? Display employees whose name is start with M and ends with N characters. Starts with M, ends with the N character. How to write this? M percentile N. M percentile N. So start with M. Yes or no? M percentile end with the N. So Martin. Only one person is there like that. Next one. To display employees whose name is contained, whose name contains four characters, whose name contains four characters. So four characters of names I need to find out. But whatever the spellings, whatever it was there, I don't know. But I just wanted four characters of name. Okay, no? So now just tell me how to write now. Four characters, I don't know what it is. Four underscores. First underscore, second underscore, third, and fourth. Now you see I was given spaces now. Yes or no? Yes, but what happened, you can see when I'm giving spaces, it's not considered. Okay, na? So that's why don't provide a space. So don't provide a space. Okay. Now what happened, you can see then four people, Word, King, and Rod. Okay, right now.
నీకు రావాలంటే నాకు రాదు సరే నీకు రావాలా నాకు రాదు ₹5
And the next example, whose name second character is O? Whose name is having, whose name is having second character is a O. How to write? First character we don't know. We don't know means underscore. Second character we know means O. Remaining characters I don't know. Percentile. Okay, na? So let me come out and see. So first underscore and O, execute now. Whose name is having second character O? Jones and Ford. And you see first character JF representing underscore. Second character O. Percentile is what now? Remaining group of characters. So remaining group of in Jones what? NES. In Fraud, RD. Okay. The next example. To display employees who are joined in 1981. So who are joined in 1981? First of all, come to your table and check it out. Here, one of my column is called as what now? Hire date. But can you find out in this hire date column, there is some pattern wise I saved, some format is there. Data type format is what now? DD-MON dash last two digits. This is your default date format of Oracle. So same how in which format your data was saved, your data will be having here, same format I just go to consider in my condition. So different if I'm giving 1991, okay, it doesn't work. So same format it will be right. In this format, starting day, middle of the expression month, last year. So 1981 people, how we can find out, sir, means that, so where, which column? Higher date, like of a percentile, remaining group of characters. Last one is what now? 81. So when I'm going to execute here, the 1981 people, total 10 people are there. The 10 people informations are we are getting now. Okay, na? Right down below. The next question. So I want to find the people who are joined in December month. How to write? December month. In your higher date expression, month is having starting a, ending a, middle of the expression. Middle. So that means, now you get some idea? How to write? Percentile day representation. December, DEC, first three characters only. Next percentile, year representation. Okay, na? So day representation, year representations. And middle of the expression, December. So how many people are joined in December month? 4 people. Write down. Next example. So who are joined in June, comma December month? June and December. In these 2 months, who was joined? Those people information I need to find out. Can you try? Huh? Try it out. Already December month we know. Huh? Already December month, how to find out? Now here I'm giving 2 months, June. So now your time start now. Take 5 minutes.
Yeah, I come.
So I want to display the people who was joined in June and December month. I think you already know operators you have now completed in operators. Uh, before like before so many operators we discussed now. And operator, R operator, yes or no? Use which is suitable for this. And or and means what I said. Our conditional values are having in the same row. June, December having same row, different rows now. Then what we want to use? Write down. Last 3 minutes. So I was given hint. Based on that hint, write down. Last 2 minutes. Wrong. Check it out. Wrong. Wrong. Last minute. Wrong. Wrong. Both are wrong. Wrong. You only return, huh? Sure. Go and sit there. Wrong. Yourself or any copy paste. Yeah. Go. Wrong. 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 What about girls? I'm calling. If you come, you come. Otherwise, I'm calling. Wrong. Wrong. It's yours. Yours. Wrong. Wrong. End operator, why you are using? Different rows, na? Check it out. What you want to use? Wrong. So as of now, one girl, remaining people. On. You only written. Wrong. Wrong. Oh, 1 second, ma. Come here. Wrong. 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 Who said? You only. Sure. Really. Wrong. Now understand, na? Understand what is a mistake? Right. Stop it. Okay. So these guys are okay. Take it out, guys. Who's this book? So these people are written right. Collect your notes. Who's this? Right. This one here. Yours. Okay, so why guys, R operator, you forgot it, huh? Once check it out, R operator. Example, check it out. R operator example, once check it out. One example we given now. How you written there? Where condition after column name is equals to some value, then or another value, direct value passing, again column name is equals to value. Then why everyone writing like higher date like June, December, or June or December? How it is here? See, one thing remember, I'm writing in my own view means not allowed your server. Yes or no? There is some systematic syntaxes are there. In the systematically, when you're sending your request, then only allowed. Okay, na? So between different concept here. So understand, na? So particular, you have to think, why are you so many people writing June or December? June or December? How it is correct here? Write your June or December. I'm writing now. What happened? You can see there is a proper syntax are there. That's why can you see my every operator syntax is given na? So syntax is observed carefully. Okay. Higher date somebody is returning like June percentile comma December. Somebody is written. I'm showing whatever you written. Okay. What's happened? SQL command not properly, and so you have the mistake. You can't do like this. Somebody kept here are what happened? Invalid relational operators. Okay, na? So now, so that's what I'm doing here. This is up to here. It will take as a one condition. Condition is nothing but what now? Column name after operator after value. This is the condition format. Yes or no? Whenever you want to write a condition means one format is there. Okay, what is the format? Column name. This is called a column name. Which columns are you comparing? This is what we called operator. Which operator are you using? This is called as what? Value. These three compulsory, check it out, having or not. Column name, operator, some value. Okay. Now where is your first condition? Okay, right. First condition is there. Column name is there, operator is there, value is there. Where is your second one? Are you passing directly? Value. Where is your operator? Where is your column name? Are you missing or not? So that's what you want to do. Yes, column name, operator, then after value. Then you can go to execute. Now you will get so December and June. Got it? Getting some idea? And why are you using end operator? I don't understand. You tell me June month, December month, both are having same row. Having same row? Tell me guys. No. Different rows, na? Different rows means what I said? R. Same row means? Got it my point, na? So that point also remember, right down below. So only few people written. Okay, reminding people they do some mistakes. Okay. Right, continue. Okay. So up to there, we are using characters, strings. Are you writing? Uh, so up to there, character, date expressions, number expressions also you can use your like operator. But along with these different characters, sometimes we need to use like operator on special characters. This is also important for your interviews. So like operator, how to work on special characters and which kind of special characters will be supported and which is not supported. Okay, now let me go for on this. The query finished, first one. This is completed, okay. Uh, come out to my database now. First, I will create a one sample table. Okay. So I'm creating one sample table in our database now. So one of my table, for example, customer. Okay, na? Customer and customer ID number. And I will take customer name, varchar2 of some size. Okay. Let me insert few customers names. Okay. Customer sending some values. Customer ID and customer name is Smith. Okay, but I just kept it in Smith underscore I was given. The next customer name is equals to 2 comma, and suppose I was given here Alan. Okay, I'm using some Ash or something. The next customer 3, okay, I'm using here Miller at the rate ER. Okay, now next I was used here 4. Okay, I'm using here percentile Adams. Okay, now the next I will give it here 5. Okay, suppose I'm giving here Warner. Okay, na? So these are some names I was given. In the names underscore percentile at the rate as symbols are there. Okay, na? Suppose this data I just commit now, permanently saving purpose, and come back to your customer table, customer. So now this is a small table I was taken with a different special characters, and there are total 4 or 5 or 4. Okay, 5 records and 4 special characters implemented along with your name. So now on this, suppose if I need to fetch my customer whose name is having at the rate symbol, whose customer name is having at the rate Miller. So now I want to write select a star from the table name is what now? Customer where condition, where customer name, which operator? Like having means how to write now? If I leave like this at the rate, okay, percentile means starting. Percentile at the rate means ending. Having means both sides. Okay, now? So now you can see the which customer is having at the rate symbol, the person names are we are fetching. Understanding now? Now write down examples. This is a demo table I'm keeping here for your practicing purpose. And don't take this demo table, just keep it that, okay? Now the question write down. First example, write a query to display customer details, whose name is having at the rate symbol, having at the rate symbol.
Yes, sir. No, not check, just
Okay, right. Same as the next example I'm asking here. What is my next example now? I want to display customer details whose name is having hash symbol. So whose name is having hash symbol? Okay, so let me come out and see. I just go to two in place of at the rate. I'm using what now? Hash. And then who is having your hash? Alan. Okay, right. Now below write down.
select now.
Okay. Hmm. Can you try one example? Huh? Try down. To display customer details whose name is having underscore symbol. Completed. Complete. How many people written? Raise your hand. Sure. Can I check? Huh? Sure. Okay. Tell me how to written. Ah. Percentile underscore percentile. Underscore. How many people written like this? Raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. अरे fully raise यार वही. Okay. Who didn't write like this, Ryan? Raise hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You're not writing like this? Okay, first who written like this? I try this. What happened? You can see. What's happened? You got it your result or wrong result? Wrong result. Other people. That is wrong. Somebody is writing in a different manner. How it is? Percentile? No, yeah. 16 people rise na. We are not writing like this, sir. We are writing different way. Different way. What? Tell me. Come on, different way. Who is this? How to written? Percentile? No percentile. Underscore. Huh? No row selected. Wrong result. Or anybody? Any different manner written? Huh? Percentile? Percentile underscore. Okay. Okay. Here observe. You can write any manner, you will get answer this one only. Okay, na? Because your underscore, why you are not allowed, okay, why it was showing wrong result means, here I already said to you, in like operator, underscore will treat as it is a wildcard operators. That means when I'm directly using this underscore, underscore means what now? Counting single character. So every starting of one character is counting. That's why Smith having one character. Suman is having one character. Alan is having one character. That's why A to Z all are displayed. Because alphabet A to Z, in this A to Z, any one character through your name is there. Okay, then it automatically come. And any special character is there, it automatically come. Because underscore means counting of one character is there or not there. That's it. So that's why in this all cases, can you see in this all cases, every string is having at least one character. That's why all are coming to show. Okay, why means your Oracle server will not treat this underscore as a special character. First point. Oracle database by default, the symbol will treat as a wildcard operator. Wildcard operator means what? Counting one character in the expression. That's why it was showing underscore, because underscore is also one character. Alan A is a one character. M Miller M is a character. Percentile is a character. W Wagner is also one character. That's why it was showing entire table. But you want it to only underscore people. Then how I can overcome this problem, sir? Same as if I'm using here, suppose whose name is having percentile. So some people thinking like that, percentile, percentile, percentile. Percentile means what now? Group of characters. So that's why it is also showing wrong result, group of characters. So percentile underscore. Except these two special characters, remaining special characters you can go to directly use and get it. Except these two. Why? Because this two is treated as a wildcard. So how I can overcome this problem? Okay. And you want to tell to Oracle, don't treat these two symbols as a wildcard operator, just treat as a special character. So that you need to inform to the Oracle. Then only Oracle will treat that is a special character. And based on that special character, in which user name or in which customer name your symbol is there, the symbol finding and giving. Okay. But how to inform to my Oracle? This is not a wildcard operator. This is a special character. Okay, na? Right on below. So it was showing what now? Error. That is wrong result. Okay, right. So same as one more thing is what now? Whose name is having percentile. So percentile, percentile, percentile. Percentile, percentile, percentile. Okay, the both are showing wrong results. Right now? The above two examples, the above two examples are returns wrong results. Wrong results because by default Oracle server will treat percentile comma underscore r as a wildcard operators, but not special characters. To overcome this problem, we should use a predefined keyword. Okay, is what now? Escape slash. So this keyword should be used, guys. Escape slash. Okay. So how I want to use here? Come out and see. So now we are passing. Okay. Percentile underscore percentile. Okay. And after that, okay, I just close this one and we are passing what now? Escape Okay, and I'm giving what now? Slash, compulsory slash. So now still, even though if I executed, but you didn't get your required information, still it was showing again wrong result. And here, why it was showing wrong result means here, whatever the symbol are you using, this is why we are using. Some reasons are there. Without reason, why should I want to use this symbol? Yes or no? So that's why whatever the symbol, escape sequence symbol, whatever we are using along with the escape keyword, this symbol must be predicted with your underscore. If you are not predict with your underscore, then still it was showing what now? Wrong result. So that's why I need to predict now. How to predict this slash should be give it as here. Along with your wildcard operator, along with your wildcard operator, I should take it this slash. Understand now? So whenever escape sequence will be predicted along with your wildcard operator, then this operator will be convert and treat as a special character by your oracle. Then it was treat as a special character, so your output will be show us. You got it, huh? Yes or no? Same as even though percentile. Here, what I want to do, escape percentile. Again, I have to use percentile. Then only the percentile people information, sir, we got it. Okay, now. So this is, and this special keyword will be using at only for underscore and a percentile basis. If you want to retrieve some data, then you can compulsory. Without escape sequence keyword, you can't get these two special symbols. Okay, na? Right on below. So now solution. Completed. Hmm? Hmm. So these are what now your like operations on different types of characters. Okay, na? Right. And one negative operation you can take, right on negative. Write a query to display employees. So whose name not starts with whose name not starts with S character. S character. Not starts with means what do you want to use? Not like negative operation. Okay, na? Ah. So except your selected character, remaining characters will be okay using. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hmm. So now I just go to take it out here. So a name, what I want to use, not like of yes percentile. Now you can see Scott and Smith. Except these two people, remaining employees will be got it. So out of 14, we got 12, but Scott and Smith was not came. Okay, and this is your negative. Every positive, whatever I explained to you, on every positive you can apply a not. It will become negative. Okay, na? Right. Okay. So these are your general operators, guys, here, and you can use anywhere here. But some more operators are there. Those we will discuss along with the topic wise. Okay. But these are general. You can use anywhere. Understand now? So today where you started, like